Hi everybody, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Paper Crafts Facebook group. Now, this is part of the Beautiful Blues collaboration with Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors. This is my second project that I'm making with the Beautiful Blues Junk Journal kit that has 60 pages, and I still have quite a few pages left over and ephemera that I could use to make something else if I wanted to. So this is a flip book, hence the board, the flip through board being the long way, so that I can show you the tops and the bottoms of the pages. And I think it turned out great. I love the black accent instead of the blue gray, and I like the way this turned out. So on the cover we have one of the Beautiful Blues ladies with the butterflies, and we've got a piece of lace that runs from here all the way around the top and all the way around the back so that you can flip it up. The whole thing is held together by magnets. It didn't really need to be. I'm not really sure why I did it, but I guess I thought I needed to. And so if you have trouble grabbing a hold of the page, then you can just grab a hold of the lace. Pages 1 and 2. Let's see if you can, still can't get them all on the screen. So here's page 1. This is kind of fun. This is a belly band, so there's a card here. Okay, card in here. Oh, it's a little bit snug. And then the belly band itself opens up. It's held shut by a magnet, and it flips up to a writing area up here. That'll probably add a piece of ephemera too. Then to a couple of bookmarks or skinny writing page areas at the bottom. And that's an acetate pocket with lace and ribbon and a piece of ephemera. This is added on as a pocket on the side. Oh, this is the belly band. I'm sorry. We're still on the belly band page. I am lost. And there's a piece of pretty ephemera here. Close this down. Page 2 is a acetate pocket with 2 lace ribbons. And I kind of wish I had put the black in there, but by the time I thought of it, it was too late. With 2 pieces of ephemera. This is my favorite image. Oh, I want to say that this is not going to be for sale, even though I really like it, because I had a problem with my printer, and my printer of course printed yellow lines throughout the whole 60-page kit. So neither one of the projects, the folio or this flip book, are going to be for sale. You'll be seeing the flip through of the folio sometime, I believe this week or next week, because then the 4th week of the prompts will be released. I can't show it until then because the folio is the one that incorporates all 4 of the challenge projects. So we've got page 3, which is just a beautiful look at me page. We've got page 4, which is a lace and ribbon side tuck pocket with some ephemera and a tag that I didn't decorate, but it should be decorated or could be decorated. Then there's these little ribbons all the way through. And you open it up, and there's a vertical pocket with a tag. You can write on both sides. Then down here is page 5, I think. No, 7. And this is an up tuck. So the page comes out this way. I think everything got stuck in the glue. And then this opens up. And then there's this beautiful page here. And then a writing page here. And they all go together with the graph paper images. Even this one. And this card. So that was kind of a theme down here. The last page is going to look upside down until you turn it over so that it matches the front cover. This is the back cover. I think it's the same image as one of the ones inside. I didn't notice until just now. And it has a ribbon that is cut off at the bottom. It's not got the flip ability, you know, like the others where you grab on. Okay, so we've got the black stencil around. These are the smaller European size papers that print out smaller on an 8.5 by 11. So that was why we went ahead and went with the larger border with the stenciling. Okay, all right, well that's it for this flip through. I'll see you in the next flip through, which will be the Beautiful Blues folio. And make sure to watch all 4 of the challenge videos every week, and also enter into the drawings. We're having a drawing a week instead of a drawing for the month, and you want to get in on that because we're giving away 13 junk journal groups or junk journal kits a week. Okay, so look at the events section to make sure that you understand the events and what to do and what hashtags to use, and get in on the fun. All right? Okay, I'll talk to you next time. All right, bye-bye.